I'm just gonna say to Kuya Copio and also Ate Dina Guillermo and the other Marcos loyalists who were fake Filipinos, especially who's that I mentioned at Sangkay Jan Jan and Romeo TV Vlog. Here's the one thing, this person, Kuya Copio. Kuya Copio, with all due respect, you need to stop politicalize against Bongo. However, if your wife got as a surgery in thyroid nectomy in her neck, oh, that will be happen to your wife. Oh, would you say that you criticize Bongo? There is no malasakit center. Kuya Copio, all the hospitals have malasakit center. When you criticize the Duterte, if you're being a loyalist of Bangag Marcos Jr. and the Bangag Marcos Sr., remember, Bongo will never give you a malasakit center. So I'm just saying, he will never give you a malasakit center. Oh, thanks to Bongo, who helped my mom. There is malasakit center in what's that? St. Luke's, Quezon City. Oh, because she has a surgery in a thyroidectomy. Because as you know, in my in my YouTube video, Kuya Copio, with all I could say, you need to apologize to Bongo if you want to help your wife. Just like I said, do not criticize Bongo. Bongo is very kind to us. It's just like Teacher May, the Show. Oh, Bongo has a malasakit center. How many malasakit center of Senator Bongo? Million. Even St. Luke's, Quezon City, they have malasakit center. I just thanks to Bongo for helping my mom for surgical and recovery from the hospital. I pray for Padre Pio. I just urge to Senator Bongo for helping the Malasakit Center, including my mom. I know you are a great senator. You're always kind to all the patients. You're just like similar of Teacher May Tiburcio, just like Senator Bongo. I know I really miss Senator Bongo. He was a friend of my good friend, Attorney Raul Lambino. I just would likely to say, maraming salamat po, Senator Bongo, sa pagtulong mo sa mom ko. Oh, I just want to say, you help my mom, you help you help the Malasakit Center as well, because Bongo is really showing how appreciate to the Filipino people. Unlike you, Kuya Copio, just stop criticizing Bongo. Bongo is not involved of flood control ghost project. He's helping the Filipinos for Malasakit Center. However, if you don't like Bongo, Kuya Copio, the Malasakit Center will never appreciate. They will never give you a Malasakit Center if your wife got surgery in thyroidectomy. Oh, just remember. Oh, you do not know what you're talking about and you're saying about against Bongo. If it's just like I said to you, Kuya Copio, I just want to explain. Inaano ka ba ni Bongo? Oh, what does Senator Bongo did to you? This is really shameless. Unlike me, I still remember Bongo when he visited the PCMC, that means Philippine Children's Medical Center. And he established the Malasakit Center, all the hospital, including Davao City, even Metro Manila. St. Luke's, Quezon City has a Malasakit Center who helped my mom for surgery in dinotectomy. Oh, you know, Kuya Kopyo, stop bashing at Bongo. This is really embarrassing. If you're a Filipino, if you're an Ilocano, why can't you just shut up and stop bashing at Bongo? If I say to you, Kuya Kopyo, the only you choose, you help your wife. Instead, you bashing at the Duterte allies, including Rodrigo Duterte and Bongo.